Cash Explosion 25 times. I got a couple winners. Number 36, right there, and number 18. Let's see what we got. $1. All right. Let's see. Number 36 right here. Let's see what we got. And another measly dollar. Guess it's better than losing. 36 and $1. 34. Oh, I missed that one. Okay. Another $1. I think I know how much this is going to be. In number 18. Another $1. That's $5 times the bonus. How about it 25 times? What do you think, hon? And a big one time. So I win $5. Get my money back. Oh well, keep trying.